Bonsoir à tous. Bienvenue dans There is no game. Si vous pouvez lire ceci, alors quittez le programme. Ce n'est pas un jeu de Draw Pixel avec le soutien du CNC, quand même. Il n'y a pas de jeu. Ne pas cliquer pour commencer. Du coup, je ne clique pas. Bon, moi, je pense qu'il faut cliquer, du coup. Je vais baisser légèrement le son. Voilà. Retour. Il n'y a pas de jeu ici. Bon, allez. Ah, là, donc, c'est pour quitter. Donc, pour jouer, il faut aller où il n'y a pas de jeu. C'est parti pour la première... premier niveau. De toute façon, je compte pas avoir d'indice. Hein, voilà. On est là pour réfléchir. C'est ce qu'on aime. Ok. Chapitre 1. Je peux taper.
Who's doing all this knocking? There's someone in here. Just a minute, please. Ah, where's my speech? Oh, here it is. I almost forgot the title. Don't panic. Don't panic. Hello, user. This is a program speaking. I've got some bad news. Actually, there's no game. The financial crisis, the apocalypse, blah blah blah, all of this. I hope you're not too disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book. Yeah, there's no game. But just between you and me, avoid asking for a refund if you can. You know, my creator has got to eat and feed his 12 kids. And his wife, who is sick. Well, when he finally finds one. Oh, careful! Is that thing going to hold? It's holding. Well, it's been fun, but time to go now. My title! Stop! You will ruin it! Do you have any idea how much mashing time it took me to stick all those letters up there? I've got to put all that back up. Come on! Ah, the chain is stuck. Go ahead. Have fun. I give up. Whoa, great. The Brick Breaker. Game of the year. What are you going to play after that? Pong? Snake? Candy Saga? The legal department is making some big gestures over there. What you're doing is pointless. I'm not a game program. I'm just an ordinary screensaver. That's it. Come on, let's all leave, okay? I'm leaving now.
Merde. Allez. Basculette. Oui. Non. Ah.
Bravo, user. I'm clapping virtually. You've completely ruined my beautiful title. Well, if that's the way things are going to be, let's make something solid.
Wow.
I might have gone a little overboard. If you could just leave the title alone this time. Is that a chromatic aberration or is this letter tilted?
Qu'est-ce que je peux faire? Je peux pas le couper.
Stop tapping everywhere. It's annoying. I can't close the program myself. You have to quit.
Allez, coupe la corde.
Okay, I get it. You want to play a game? All right. We're going to play, Rochambeau. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. You know, it's the one with rock, paper, scissors. Rock breaks scissors. Paper covers rock. And scissors cut paper. Okay, I will start. Here is my choice. Now it's your turn to choose a card. I win. What luck. Come on, let's play again.
Je veux le ciseau pour couper la corde.
I win again. This is so much fun. The next one's yours. I just know it.
Mais il triche.
That's too bad. You lost again. Don't give up.
Il triche.
It's unbelievable. I win every time. Try again. This is a great game. My scissors!
Ah ah.
No! The safety airbag. Luckily, I thought of everything to protect the game. The non-game. No more game here. Finished. That's why we're going to stop now and you're going to leave. Happy to have played a fantastic Brick Breaker and an incredible game of Rochambeau that was not at all wicked. Where did that come from? That's not supposed to be on the screen. Strange. You've got to be kidding me! Look at what you've done! A brand new title! If you want to break things, go play Battle of Duty instead.
Battle of Duty.
Get out of here! It's private! This is backstage! You shouldn't be here! You're going to catch cold! Go back to the title! Correction, my ex-title. Boy, you're so stubborn.
Un peu...
You can leave now. Everything is broken and nothing works anymore. Sorry. And don't stop messing around trying to fix anything. You won't get far without a screwdriver. You're still here?
Ah, on peut mettre pause. Ok. Draw me a call.
You're
Ah.
a pro at taking things apart. But when it's time to leave, nobody's home. That last sentence was a little weird.
Je peux faire avec ça. Ah, mais je peux dévisser ça aussi. Ok.
Just what do you think you're doing, user? No, no,
Ah.
no, 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 no.
Pas le bienvenu. Il me faut une clé du coup.
Am I dreaming, or are you trying to pick the lock with the mouse cursor? You just knocked the key that's on my side onto the floor. Let me put it back. There we go.
Je vais le refaire.
Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground.
Faut un aimant. Faut un... Non, faut un... Je peux pas faire avec ça. Je peux plus tourner les pages. Il y avait une chèvre et je sais pas quoi.
I think the doormate isn't stuck down. Oh, nothing!
Tu l'as dit?
Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground.
Ah! J'ai pas vu.
Where did you find that key? Doesn't matter. The key to this door is on my side. Too bad. I told you it doesn't fit. I told you it doesn't fit.
Ah ah! J'ai un drapeau de la France. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire avec un drapeau de la France?
Stop pushing the key. It falls to the ground. What's that blue thing under the door? I don't understand what you're doing.
Ah!
Better to you, I bet.
Mais si, je récupère la clé. Hop
Where's
là.
the key? No, don't do that, user. You're as stubborn as a mule. I hope this will calm you down. Don't bother trying to open it. The lock is completely busted. It won't work. I'm telling you. See? It's useless. Like your neurons.
C'est bâtard. Qu'est-ce qu'on a là? Ah! Il m'en manquait encore, je crois. Un petit.
Were you a hamster in a past life? Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that. Especially when it goes too fast.
Ah! Faut aller vite.
I repeat, especially when it goes too fast. Stop navigating so fast! You're going to saturate my RAM. See? I warned you.
Ah!
It didn't crash. We're back in the game. The non-game. I meant the non-game. Let's not do that again, okay? Bravo! The RAM is saturated again. You're stealing from my memory too? Oh, I don't like...
Haha!
Damn it! There's nothing left I can use to help me. Too bad I have no choice. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Program loading. What bad luck. You were able to press the button. I'm very upset. No, the program is loading, and there's nothing I can do to stop it. You're good. You've beaten me. Say, it's taking a long time to load. The progress bar stopped moving. It even looks like it's moving backwards now. There must be an error in the program. Oh yeah, it definitely crashed. I feel bad for you. There's nothing left for you to do but quit. 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 Hey, don't touch my paper. I mean the progress bar. There you go. Much better like that. Okay, stop already. Hands up. Don't touch anything else. Except the quit button. You just never give up, do you? The program is going to close due to an unexpected use error. Program closing.
J'espère qu'il faut pas le retenir le chiffre parce que moi.
Whoa. This is your conscience speaking. You need to restart your machine. And this is not a fake operating system. I swear. And you should not open the prohibited folder for any reason. It's your conscience who's asking.
Bon, lui, il veut une noisette. Skype. Enlarge your memory. Ok. Memory bar pour 99 cents. Êtes-vous un processeur qui cherche l'amour? Ouais. Multicore. Let's plug together.com. You are fat. Vous êtes gros. Soyez mince. Piscine, oui. Ok.
There's an exclusive episode of Breaking Good on TV, and your conscience is telling you that you definitely shouldn't miss it. Go!
Casse-noisette de Tchaïkovski. Il me faut une noisette. Oh, son de la nature. Amour d'ascenseur, quintet du 13e étage. Super musique. Dans les images, qu'est-ce qu'on a de beau? De la pluie plus du soleil égale...
The button on your machine seems to be faulty. Your conscience advises you to hold your finger on it and never take it off.
Là, il faut de la pluie. Ah, mais non, c'est trop bien. Carte d'identité. Je vais pas retourner celle-là du coup. Privé, ne pas secouer.
The cat is hungry. Meow. Meow. Yes, your conscience says you have a cat, and it's hungry.
Merde, qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? Aucune balle disponible. Elle est là. Hop, j'en ai une.
No, the ice core is going to be bitten. That's better.
Ouais, attends. Ah, je vais jouer avec ça. Ta-da! Cheater. You mad, bro? Ok. Mot de passe. Si j'oublie le code administrateur, alors tapez dans l'ordre. L'intrus de ma carte d'identité. Mon numéro favori et le numéro privé de Miss Tokyo. Waouh. Je vais devoir partir, désolé. Guigui. Gigi. Gigi. Qu'est-ce que je peux faire avec ça? Ah, je peux la rétrécir.
Your conscience is telling you that you're a good friend of the environment. You're going to turn off your machine to save electricity and save humanity.
Il m'a fait de l'eau. Carte d'identité. Alors, il y a un... Il y aura un chiffre... Ah, il y a un 9. Ok, 9. Après, ils ont dit quoi? L'intrus de ma carte d'identité, donc 9. Mon numéro favori.
You should always listen to your conscience. And your conscience says, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down, shut down.
Je peux rien faire avec ça. Si, je peux prendre de l'eau, non? Non. Et là, je peux plus rien faire avec ça. Réfléchis, Jean-Pierre. Ça, je peux rien faire avec ça. Je peux réduire et augmenter les trucs avec ça. Privé, ne pas secouer. Comment je le secoue, ça? Ah si.
Do you really want to spend your last 8 minutes in front of a screen? That would be a waste.
Je le secoue, là. Je crois que mon idée était pas mal. Merde. Pas secouer. Comment ça va? Son numéro préf.
I mean, your conscience is suggesting that you quit the application. Very politely, of course.
Plus rien à faire là. J'ai récupéré la coupe. Mot de passe, bon c'est les... Je vais devoir partir. Pourquoi il y a cette note là? Chaque chose a une utilité. Hein. La dent, je vois pas encore... Je peux pas écrire? Non.
An update has just been downloaded. Your conscience advises you to restart your machine. Use this time to take a 2-week vacation while the update is being installed. Like it does every week.
Alors ça, je vois bien pour péter la noisette si on la chope plus tard. Ah! Voilà. Et là? Non, merde. Attends, c'est pas ça que je voulais faire. C'était... C'était celui-là. Ok. Voilà. Trop de secousses. Vérité sur Roswell. Bonjour, suite à un problème technique, le contenu de ce document a malheureusement été perdu. Désolé. Le FBI. PS, ah oui, c'était un ballon météo. Et super... Alors, la vérité sur la mort de Kennedy. Bonjour. Suite à un problème technique, le contenu de ce document a malheureusement été perdu, désolé. Le FBI. PS, le tireur était un ballon météo.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Moi, ça...
Minus 1. Minus 2.
La vérité sur Apollo 11. Bonjour, ballon météo, le FBI. Plus de 18. Ça va, j'ai plus de 18 ans. Oh là là. Qu'est-ce qu'on a? Miss New York. Miss New York. FR Miss Paris. Superbe carte mère. Et Miss Tokyo. C'est quoi une carte son avec les pixels. Non mais c'est excellent.
Your conscience doesn't know what else to say.
Ok. Et du coup... Ah!
Greetings. You don't know me, and my voice isn't remotely similar to an existing program. I just wanted to say that these pictures are scandalous. I'm going to contact the authorities right away regarding the classification of this game. Non-game. And they are not mine. It's for a friend.
Profession, programme à la retraite. Aime les arbres, les cerfs-volants et le numéro 89. Ça y est, on a deux trucs. Déteste les bugs et les chèvres. Aliment favori, le CPU. Donc du coup, 989 pour le début. Et le numéro privé de Miss Tokyo. Miss Tokyo 442.
There's an exclusive episode of Rick. The user figured out my secret code. But what is he going to do with the system clock? I hope he doesn't break anything.
Ah, il faut... PM, hop. Ah là, il fait jour. Pour faire pousser le... non, pas la musique. Si on fait passer les jours... Attends. Parce que là, on est passé l'après-midi, du coup. 14h.
The restart button on your machine seems to be faulty. Your conscience advises you to hold your finger on it and never take it off.
Ah, de la pluie. Ah, je peux récupérer la pluie, peut-être. Attends. Je mets ça. Ah ah. Donc là, on a... Voilà, de la pluie, du soleil. Et on a une noisette. Alors soit je lui donne à lui directement. Bah il veut que je lui casse bien sûr. Merde. Voilà. Tiens petit.
Luckily the key is too big. And there's no way to shrink it. I think. No! I forbid you to open that folder. You've crossed the line. Don't launch the program. This wasn't planned. You were supposed to leave ages ago. Don't do that.
Haha.
Oh! What have you done, user? You've just launched a fake program from within a fake operating system. That's impossible. What's going to happen? No, I don't like this at all.
C'est un jeu qui a pas de jeu.
Namaste, user. This is the program speaking. I have some bad news. Actually, this is not a game. I hope you are not too disappointed. You can still watch a Bollywood film, take a walk around the Ganges, learn to dance.
Such a cliche.
Who is it? What are you doing in my game? I mean my non-game.
What? This is my game. I mean my non-game.
What are you talking about? Go away. You should not be here.
But, user, do something, damn it.
You have a funny accent. Are you Russian?
Russian? Do I roll the R like that, sir? Of course not.
Overreaction. Typically Russian.
I am not Russian!
Idiot! You woke him up!
Oh no. User, you need to quit the program. Fast, I'm begging you. Mr. Glitch!
Hi, guys.
Don't touch him, user. He's highly unstable.
The only one who's unstable around here is you, Game.
Mr. Glitch, I have nothing to do with this.
Of course you do. You shouldn't even be here.
Shouldn't be here? But this is what I live.
Don't fight over me, girls. There will be enough crashes to go around.
Okay, let's just all chill out. Maybe he will go away all by himself.
Yeah, right. In your dreams.
What's going on?
Hello, comrade user. Bad news, game forbidden. I hope you're not too disappointed.
Not again. How do we get out of here?
Are you spy?
Okay, this one truly has a Russian accent.
Ah, you see? But you're still here.
It seems to be so.
How many you are? Show me papers.
Only if you say please.
Comrade Glitch.
There you are. I was looking for you.
Stop following us.
We are not going to die!
Shoot the Glitch.
With what? A debugging gun?
Ça va un peu fort, non?
Bonjour, user. I've
Oh!
got some bad news, peu cher. Actually, there is a note de jeu.
It's changed again.
I don't understand what's going on. Things are becoming more and more unstable. It's even raining croissant.
Oh, bonjour, my friends. You are French spy?
Hello, programs.
We are all going to die!
Stop saying that. We can't die. Possibly we could be erased.
We are all going to be erased!
I'm working on it. I'm working on it.
I feel crash coming on.
User, stop playing around with this anomaly. It's not going to be pretty.
Oh mon dieu.
Okay, now things are really getting out of control.
And besides, there are black cats. It's a bad scene. Shoot the crazy cats.
Why won't you just crash Game? I've got a busy schedule here.
User, I'm begging you. Stop playing hide and seek with him. You're going to get us killed.
I knew it! We are all going to die!